Good morning to all of you. I think so that everyone is happy there and hope that you, and it's a COVID time and the biggest obstacle this time in your study. Some students were constantly message me, sir, would you like to explain about the poem Risk and my good right hand, the lotus. So let me explain briefly. I think so that you will get clear concept from these words. First poem is Risk, composed by Janet Rent. Let me explain one by one lines. To laugh is to risk appearing the fool, to weep is to risk appearing sentimental, to reach out for another is to risk involvement, to expose feelings is to risk exposing your true self, to place ideas and dreams before a crowd is to risk being called naive. To love is to risk not being loved in return, to live is to risk dying, to hope is to risk despair, to try is to risk failure. But risk must be taken because the greatest hazard in life is to risk nothing. The person who risks nothing, does nothing, has nothing, is nothing, become nothing. They may avoid suffering and sorrow, but they cannot learn, feel, change, grow, lovely. Change by certitude. They are slaves. They have forfeited their freedom. The only person who risks is truly free. It means you must take risk. Without risk, you cannot get success in your life. That's a motto. It's a motivational poem. It says in brief, in short, you must take risk. You must not avoid taking risk. Unless you taking risk, you cannot get success in your life. That's all. And the second poem is My Good Right Hand. It is composed by Charles Mackay, the greatest writer of the English era, English literature era. He tells the story about the personal experience. Like, let me explain one by one. Then I will explain 2 points, 3 points, 4 points, what points I'm going to explain here. The lines of the poem: I fell into grief and began to complain. I looked for a friend, but I sought him in vain. Company and sigh and acquaintance were called. They gave me good counsel, but dreaded their gold. Let them go, I exclaimed. I have a friend at my side. To lift me, add me, whatever betide. To trust to the world is to build on the sand. I shall trust but in heaven my good right hand. My courage revived in my fortune despite. My courage revived in my fortune despite. And my hand was as strong as my spirit was light. It raised me from sorrow, it saved me from pain. It fed me, clad me again. The friends who had left me come back everyone, and the darkest advisor looked bright as the sun. But I need them no more, as they all understand. I thank thee, I trust thee, my good right hand. So I'm going to first poem to explain the poem Risk. It is written by the Janet Rent, and we learn from this poem that we must take risk in our life. Without risk, we cannot get success. So it is essential to taking risk in life. Then you will get success. And do not avoid taking risk. And second poem, based on the personal experience of Charles Mackay, that once he fell into grief and began to complain, but nobody was there to help. So in the both poems, we learn a lot of things. And I'm reading the comment that some student were saying, sir, would you like to speak about unemployment condition? What can I say about unemployment condition? यानी कि I can say that after getting higher education, person is unemployed. What's the reason behind it? The education system in our India, there is a theoretical education system. But in Western countries, I'm not talking about US and England and UK and France. These countries I'm not talking about. I'm talking about all European countries. There is a vocational education, but in India, there is a theoretical education. So it is a biggest aspect that we are lagging behind comparison to other countries in the development. Our country is included in the form of developing countries. And more thing here to explain, I would like to explain one by one things. That's all.